What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are at this pond. We've got some friends. We're in a camp thing that we do fishing, hiking, kayaking, archery, all that. And so we're at this pond and we're gonna fish it today. And it's also a horse ranch thing. And so it's very, very polluted. And there's mounds of poo everywhere. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's get right into it. All right, guys, we just got no, but I'm filming now, so
that's like I have a scale.
So do I. It's all the way over there. It's not massive, but
oh, there it is.
There we go.
Yeah, I got you.
Pretty nice bass.
This one's kind of hard to hook on. Let's turn it on. I really don't want to drop him.
I do it from the gill right here.
Oh my gosh. That thing's huge.
Right.
It's not wanting to work.
Huh.
Maybe hold it.
Is it zeroed out?
Yeah.
Well, scale's not working, but I'd say probably 2.5.
It should work in a little bit. Maybe if we take it off. This thing has some meat on it.
Yeah, it does. It looks like it's been caught.
Right, there we go. It's working now.
Oh, okay.
Release it.
Right, like a
All right.
2.35.
Yeah, that's almost exactly my guess. I was thinking 2.5,
Right,
but
you want to release it?
yeah. All right. 2.35. Pretty nice bass.
See ya, buddy.
2.35. There he goes. All right, guys, we just got the smallest of them all. Tiny little guy. This might be who's been taunting me all this time. Little guy. There he goes. All right, guys, we got another bass. Oh my. He's not big. Hooked him through the eye. Not bad, not bad. There he goes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Even though we didn't catch that many fish, it was still really fun to be with friends in all of them. And the fishing was a lot better than I expected because of all of this waste there is. I expected there to be less fish and the water to be more polluted. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and thanks for watching.